Hello guys. Today I'm making this video to show you guys how to remove a keycap or a key from a mechanical keyboard without the use of any form of tools or keycap pullers, because you may not have one, you may lose one, or you may not have known about one. But whatever it is, these keycap tools, keycap pulling tools, or all these pullers, they may or may not come with the keyboard. Some require you to purchase them separately, like this keyboard right here. This is a Razer Black Widow Tournament Edition, and it does not come with a keycap puller or any form of tools to remove the keycaps. So the three basic items which you can easily find at home, which can be used to pull the keycaps, are a plastic ruler. Mind you, this is the thin, flexible one. A credit card or anything similar. This is my Starbucks card. Or some of you may have guitar picks. For me, personally, I think it's better to use a hard pick, or even better if you have two picks. Trust me, it's much better to use two picks at the same time. I'll show you what I mean later. So first I'll show you how to use the ruler. Using the plastic ruler, let me remind you, this is the flexible one. All you have to do is insert it onto the side of the key, as such. I'm inserting it into the gap on the side of the key, as you can see. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to bring the edge of the plastic ruler under the key and lift it up. So as you can see, the key is removed. Simple. Let me remind you, all you have to do is insert it into the gap, try to bring it under the key, and just lift it up. Try to do it slowly and gently, so that you do not damage the keyboard, because let me remind you, these are not proper tools. These are homemade tools, I guess, to help you in case you don't have a proper tool. Next, I'll be using the card. So do the same thing, insert it into the gap, slide it underneath the key, and lift it up. There you go. You get that. Now, using the guitar picks, I'll show you two methods. One is using one pick and the other one using two picks. So the first one is just sliding it underneath the key. Let me use the other side. Sliding it underneath the key, and it's just a case of lifting it up, and there you go. Alright, now, as you know, you may not know how a keycap puller may look like, but let me just show you. Alright, most of them look something like this. Alright, it's a tool which has two hooks for sliding underneath each ends of the key. Two ends of the key, so you can lift it up. So that's why I said that if you use two picks, it's much better than using one, because you can slide underneath. I don't know if you can see from the camera. One end I'm sliding it onto the left side of the key, the other on the right side, and all you have to do is push them out like a lever, and it just pops open. Yeah, as you can see. So yeah, those are the simple tools you can use. There are other tools that you can use, such as a flathead screwdriver, but I wouldn't suggest using that because it might damage your keys or your keyboard. Preferably use something plastic and flexible, like these items, so that they won't damage your keys. Alright, and to put them back in, all you have to do is make sure it's on the correct orientation, align it, and just press it. So that it's nothing hard. Alright, and slam it and test it a few times, and that's it, folks. That simple. And if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you don't like it, leave a comment on how I can make it better. Thanks.